Hey everyone, I've got a fun technique for you today. So see how this stamp has the handle of the mug only on the right hand side? We're gonna fix that. So I'm gonna stamp it first onto a silicone craft mat, and then I'm gonna stamp it again. I want it really good and inked up. Then I'm gonna add my white cardstock over the top and stamp again. This is gonna give me that image on both sides. Then I'm just gonna stamp it one more time. I'm not worried about lining it up on my craft mat. Then I'm gonna finish my stamping. I'm gonna do it on the one I just stamped, ink it up, and then I'm gonna flip over my cardstock once this one is stamped. I'm gonna do the back side. So this is that one that we picked up from our craft sheet. Now when we go to die cut, remember our die cut's only gonna have it on one side, but we're gonna die cut out both. Like magic, we have it flipped over and it's stamped on both sides. So we're gonna take some black cardstock to finish this off with some yellow pattern paper, another piece of pattern paper that's black and white, our sentiment layer. Then we add both our beer mugs and we are good to go. So I hope you like this technique. Make sure to follow I Teach Stamping for more ideas.